folks, Mark here, Pilgrim V8. We have a fantastic opportunity today for you guys to own the car from a movie. This is the 66 289 Coupe with a 5-speed manual upgrade. This is the hero shot car from the film by Guy Ritchie, Operation Fortune. There was 2 cars that were actually purchased from us by his production company. Both the same coupe model, 66. One had a hood scoop, this one didn't. We fabricated the hood scoop on this car, and they took both cars over to Turkey where the cars were both wrapped so they appear the same on camera. As you can see from the outside, it's a beautiful colour. Candy apple red with the cloud grey stripes, matte grey, really contrast against the shininess of this candy apple. It's got American Racing Torque Thrust style alloy wheels on there, but upgraded to disc brakes all round, so the stopping power on this is way better than a standard car. It's got a few other things underneath, like strengthening plates and things when it was used in a few of the shots, just to protect it and stiffen things up a little bit. So it's not a standard car by any means, but it is a piece of automotive and cinematic history, and this is your chance to own it. Let me talk you through some of the other upgrades on this car. Coming under the hood, you've got your 4.7 litre, your 289 cubic inch V8 underneath. It's got this lovely chrome Ford Racing air filter. You've got extra bracing as well, so you've got like a Monte Carlo style brace here just to stiffen things up, along with some skid pans underneath that just helped with some of the stunt driving that the car was drafted in to do. Unfortunately, the stunt car didn't actually make it past through filming, and some of the extra filming was done with this vehicle, so there were some modifications that were swapped over between the two, and this is a sort of hybrid of both of them, but it is the car from the film, and that is the key thing you need to take home from this video, guys, is this is the car, not a replica. Let's show you inside the vehicle as well. Right, coming into the film car, you can see you've got this mock wood effect steering wheel, very period sort of feeling. It has got an upgraded inlays on the dashboard here, these turned aluminium, which go really well with the car. It's a bit of a resto mod with aftermarket gauges on there, so much more modern gauges than the Mustang would have come with. It's got upgraded kick panel speakers down here as well for your audio. The key things here, being a driver's car, it's been upgraded from the 4-speed, which is what it would have been if it was manual, to or 3-speed back in the 60s. 3-speed or 4-speed was the option. This is actually a Tremec 5-speed. Along with an Edelbrock performance head and cam pack on there, so it's a little bit more poked from the 4.7 litre engine under the hood. Inside, it's all finished in this lovely black vinyl. It is the deluxe pony interior with the embossed ponies on the headrests. All really good condition still. Beautiful inside, beautiful outside, and want to say again, it is the film car. This is a rare opportunity to get a piece of history on your driveway. So this opportunity to own this car opens up a lot of scope for you. If you like going to car shows, you've got the bragging rights. I say you've got the car, not a replica from a film. If you're a collector of automotive memorabilia or cinematic memorabilia, again, add this to your collection. This is something that has got a very interesting story. We've got a lot of paperwork to back it up and to support the fact that we provided this car to the production house. Give us a call, come down and see the car, take it for a spin, and we'd welcome you down here at Pilgrim V8 to talk you through it in more detail. But you've got to have a look at this car in the flesh. It really is something to behold.